Okay, y'all, that was the other piece of a video because I got a text message and touched the wrong button, knowing that was going to end the video when I slid down to read the text message. But I'm going to put them as 2. But yeah, I was just like thinking what I was saying in the other video. Oh, sorry, I had to see that, something in my nose. But yeah, I hope it don't rain today. I was saying, like, I think I'm going to just, to save money, I'm going to just stay with the cheaper one. The cheaper room, that's what I'm going to do. Hold on. Yeah, he laughed like my ex. But yeah, y'all, that old man laughs just like my ex. I think it's the one with, y'all can't even see. I'm trying to turn y'all around so y'all can see. I think it's the one with the white hat on. If y'all seen in the previous little video. But yeah, y'all, I don't know. Yeah, I feel a mess today because I'm tired. It feel like I didn't get no sleep at all whatsoever. Y'all actually could have with all this time made it down to the 3rd bus stop by now if I would have kept walking. But yeah, I just don't. I hope it don't rain because I did not bring my umbrella. I would use this bag and put it on my head. Because, baby, I am not trying to get wet. But anyways. Y'all, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I can't waste my vacation. If I have just 3 saved up, that'll be nice. That'll be very nice for the trip. Because, I mean, it's going to be overnight, and I can still do a little bit and still have a little left over. So, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Just do, like, the 39, the cheapest room I can find. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And like, when I do that, cause I ain't gonna be there that long anyway. And it don't make no sense paying $64 for something I ain't gonna be there that long. And I gotta save me something for some food. But yeah, I gotta save me something for some food on the way there. I'll make it out. I'll make it. Because the way I'm planning on doing it is like renting the car Thursday or renting the car Friday. Yeah, because I'm not paying for all the money. Yeah, buddy, I do need to save money because I got to rent a car to get up there. Hopefully that car be cheap. The insurance. But yeah, and I hope that car is kind of reasonably cheap because that's what I'm doing. I was trying to do a couple hundred, do 400. That'll leave me with 2. Then I gotta get some quarters because y'all, they're gonna be doing pictures. Pull up here, bloating and backed up. Pull up in the fucking parking spot. Do what you gotta do, gun house. You got a sticker to park over here. And if I had a sticker, I wouldn't be doing all this. Standing at the damn bus stop, I'll be putting that in my gas tank. And driving to work. Teaching just straight out to Tidwell and then left on Tidwell and straight from Tidwell to Fulton and then right on Fulton. But yeah, this bus need to come on for real. For real. Because, y'all, like I say, I don't have my umbrella and I hope it don't rain. I will take this out this bag and put it on my head. I need to just go ahead and go But I don't have a collar shirt. I can wait till Monday and go. I don't know. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna have to end this video and make a 2-part.